Hi, welcome back to the Sweet Salazars. So today we have Isaac with us, and he's my nephew, the kid's cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
And so today they want to make slime with glue, because we know that works.
Yeah,
So-
because the other time we made a fail.
It was an epic fail. We did slime without glue, and it did not work very well, did it?
Epic
It was a thumbs down. All right, guys. All right, so today we're going to make another version of slime with...
Glue, because the other slime that we made was a
Epic.
big failure.
a big failure.
No,
Okay,
epic
so-
fail.
Gavin,
First, you need glue.
let's get started. Miss Adeline, explain what we need to do today.
First, we need some glue.
Mm-hmm.
Then we need
Liquid starch.
liquid starch.
Okay. And I forgot to get the food coloring. Here's Isaac. You ready to make some slime?
Yeah.
All right.
the first.
Hey Gavin, are you ready to make some slime today? Okay. So
Let's get started.
let's get started. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so the next step was to add a little bit of water.
Everybody drink water every day.
Yes. Just a little bit, and then you start stirring. So let's see. All right, so then, Addie, when do we add the food coloring?
Now,
Okay, so now we can choose our color.
on it.
What color does,
On it.
what color would Gavin like to have today?
Purple.
Purple, so what two colors make purple, Miss Addie?
Red and blue.
Red and blue.
I'm gonna make mine green and blue. Here's
Okay,
first two.
let me see your muscles. All right. Takes a strong man to be able to stir all that slime. Did you, Gavin, what two colors did you make?
I did red and blue.
Red and blue, and what color is it turning? Dang, it kind of looks like it might be turning purple. Keep stirring.
You wanted purple.
Okay.
Look at mine, it's a mix. It's a green.
Isaac's is like almost like a Tiffany blue. This is Gavin's. Keep stirring, bud.
But this is look at mine.
Keep stirring.
Did you actually?
Gavin, can you sit down, please? Thank you.
Hey, look at my color.
Very pretty. Okay, keep stirring.
Slime.
Let's see what's happened to Addie's slime. Hers is a purple, real pretty dark purple.
And Gavin's
What color is it?
the mallet color is like
No.
And Gavin's is diarrhea.
Let me see yours, Gavin. Yours looks pretty much like slime.
Look
Very
at my
fun.
slime. Look at my slime. It's like in Minecraft, everybody. If you guys play Minecraft, look. It looks
So
like
this recipe is glue, liquid starch, food coloring, and a little bit of water.
Yep.
Not in that exact order, but we did what did we do first? We did the glue,
Look
Then
at mine. Ew, mine smells so gross.
added the water, then the
Look at
food
Isaac's
coloring
smell.
and the starch,
Isaac's smell.
and mix well, and voila, you've got fun, gloopy slime. So this is the kids playing with their slime.
Yeah,
Let's see.
mine turned out like the commercial actually.
Nice. Gavin, let me
Yeah.
see.
Gavin's is like an alien head.
And Addie, how's yours? Very good. So this slime recipe is it's a blast, so we
Awesome.
like it. It's awesome.
Look it, I have
Just
slime
like
skin.
you. Let me see. Just like you.
Auntie, look, I have slime skin. I got it.
Okay, so that was our lesson on making slime with liquid starch, glue, water, and food coloring. Did we have fun, guys?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Doing.
And what do we say? Thank you for watching.
Wait. I'm gonna say something. Make sure you subscribe to Isaac Sweet, please. That's
What
my
about subscribe to the Sweet Salazars?
and them too. And if you guys subscribe to me, I'll give you guys a shout out. And make sure you smash that like button and smash that subscribe button.
What do you say, Gavin? All right, this is the Sweet Salazars. Bye-bye.